2019 was a challenging year, packed with action and adventure. And it turned out pretty good. At the end of the summer, I traveled to Sicily with my girlfriend. We climbed to the top of the Etna and we visited the island Stromboli. Visiting a volcano from a distance is majestic, but walking on one, that makes a huge difference. And of course, cities and beaches are also must. A few months later, we booked a small room somewhere in the Austrian Alps and went for ski touring. Oh yes, the first day was a total whiteout. But the next day we had plenty of sunshine and 1 meter deep powder. After skiing, to warm up a little bit, I flew to Egypt with one of my friends. We wanted to try something new, so we went for scuba diving to the Red Sea. With so many fishes and corals, it was just amazing. Oh, and I surprised myself with a new Gopro Hero8. GoPro, start recording.